Hi there, this is Whitney Wing Drake, and I have to start by saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm sure it's a really busy day, and I promise not to take up too much of your time, but I wanted to share a new product that I am launching soon, and I wanted you to be one of the first to know. So, I sold my company at the beginning of this year. I was a wedding coordination company, and I was in that industry for 16 years. But now I am launching a new company called the Essential Planner Company. And my very first planner is one that I just kind of rolled my wedding expertise and my experience into to create a tool for couples that I recognized was needed and didn't exist yet. So I would love to introduce you to my new planner. It is called the Essential Wedding and Engagement Planner. And I'm not going off a script or anything here, so bear with me, but I wanted to give you a tour of the planner. This is the sample that I just received. I love it. I think it's beautiful. I'm really, really happy with it. So I was really intentional about the look of the cover because I wanted it to appeal to a large audience. If you're having a traditional wedding or maybe an all-white wedding or you really like classic, I wanted it to have subtlety and kind of more of like a neutral appeal. But at the same time, if you're incorporating color and you wanted something more vibrant, I also wanted it to be that. So that is what was behind the choice of this cover design. And this is the hardcover. There's also a soft cover that has a different cover design that's like more green palms. It's a little bit more casual. So on this hardcover, it has the really beautiful gold binding. It's a gold O-ring binding. It's really durable. It's not going to catch on anything. It's going to last. It also has this gold foil detail, which I hope you can see. It's really beautiful. And it has these gold protective corners so that, again, just to add to the durability of it. This planner is over 400 pages. It's 403 pages to be exact. But I really love the size of this planner. It's easy to carry. You can easily take it just like this to a planning meeting, to tour a venue. It's definitely easy to hold and to carry, and so the size is great. This planner, again, the hardcover, it comes in a decorative gift box that is beautiful. It's cream color. It's really high end. It has this Essential Planner gold seal on the top of the gift box. And I kind of picture this hardcover version being one for couples that maybe want to use it at their desk, maybe use it in bed at night, probably keep it a little bit closer to them, and really keep it as a keepsake so that after the wedding is over, they put it back in the box, put it on a shelf somewhere special, and maybe take it back out on anniversaries. Maybe take it out to show their children someday or even their grandchildren someday. The soft cover version, again, is very, very high quality, but because it's softer cover and it's really bendy, you can throw it in a backpack. You can take it out with you. I kind of picture this more for the more adventurous couple that wants to take it on a hike or take it to the beach. And so there's kind of something for everyone depending on what your style is. So let me walk you through the inside. Again, lots of decorative gold foil throughout. This is a very special planner. It is, it's not just your typical day planner. It is not just a planner because your wedding is not just a day. So I really wanted this to be special. This is the area that the bride and groom can fill out their names and the date of their wedding. It comes with planner stickers, and I will show these to you, but I actually made a decision upon reviewing the sample that I'm going to upgrade this page. It's actually now going to be on a really heavy clear stock, and all the stickers are going to be clear instead of this white background. They'll actually have clear backgrounds. On the next page are the tab stickers, and they'll still be this beautiful gold foil, but again, they're going to be on the clear heavy cardstock. And so the planner stickers are just kind of decorative to make the planner feel like your own. The tab stickers have months on them because that way you can apply the correct month sticker to the corresponding tab and personalize the planner so that it goes according to your planning process. So in the front is the wedding planner, and again, as you'll see, just I want to draw your attention to these tabs. They have this beautiful floral detail and then gold foil on all the tabs. And then here, there's gold foil as well. So the first 4 tabs are your wedding planner, your engagement planner, your at a glance, and your questions tab. So your wedding planner is just getting started with thinking through your wedding planning and starting to take notes and think about dates, think about your budget. There's a comprehensive budget breakdown in there, selecting your wedding venue. And then not only is this planner a very comprehensive A to Z wedding planner, it also encourages couples to plan their marriage. So it's a marriage planner. It has opportunities throughout for exercises to help the couple to get to know each other on a deeper level, to kind of think about what they want their married life to look like. There's financial planning, there's goal setting, goals for your first year of married life, date night activities, and month by month, it starts with a review. So, reminders for the couple, reminders for the wedding coordinator, if there is one, reminders for the wedding party, payments due, and this is good for all my venues and vendors. This will keep couples on task and give them reminders front and center on when things are due so that you can be paid on time. And then there are the wedding planning task lists, and these are really comprehensive task lists. And it's just a list of everything that the couple needs to do at that point in time to plan their wedding. And they can assign the task to someone if they want to. They can leave notes for themselves. They shade as they make progress. So again, this is great for goal setting. And then also throughout, it says to refer to different pages. So if there's more information on this subject, they can head to that page of the planner to get more information. And to take that one step further, I also launched a podcast called the Essential Wedding Podcast. And so in a lot of these areas down at the bottom, it'll tell you to head over to a certain episode of the podcast to learn even more. I actually dive really deep throughout the episodes of the podcast, and I always have a podcast guest who's a specialist on that subject, and I have a conversation with them. So again, this is just really comprehensive. It's also great for goal setting. There's gratitude journaling. There is the 66-day challenge throughout where I'm challenging couples to set new habits, either to get rid of bad habits that they don't want to bring into married life or to establish some healthy habits that they do want to bring in. They're checking in with each other, making sure they're being intentional about their health, their wellness, about their social media use, that sort of thing. So again, really comprehensive, really holistic. And the reason that I did that is because, as you probably know, millennials and Gen Zers as a generation are all about meaning and intentionality. And so this planner was really designed with them in mind. So at the end, in the very last tab, I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead to our wedding day. And this is where all the information is on the wedding day. So your guest list, your secondary list, seating charts, there's a sample timeline of the wedding weekend, a sample timeline of the wedding day, and then there are blank timelines for the couple to start filling those out. And I also tried to make this really intuitive. So there are tear out sheets, like your wedding day timeline is a tear out sheet so that you can tear that out and give it to whoever needs it. There's also tear out sheets for your vows. So there are exercises to help couples write their vows, and then they can tear that out so that the other person doesn't see it. So anyway, that's it. I will be happy to give you more information if you have specific questions, but I just wanted to give you the tour of the planner, and I hope that you see this and start thinking about couples who you are working with, or just imagining the couples that you communicate with, or maybe give tours to, or are working with as clients that would really be served well with this planner. So if you'd like any more information, please scroll down in this email. You'll see samples of the hardcover and the softcover, and there's more details on each of them and information on how you can carry these at wholesale prices and sell them for retail prices. So thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you soon.